If Lockitron is having trouble locking or unlocking your door, jams frequently, or doesn't turn your lock all of the way, then there are a few steps that you can take to diagnose and solve the problem. First, remove your Lockitron and C-plate. Make sure that your door lock is installed correctly and that the interior portion is not twisted or shifted. If you have a deadbolt with a long, tall, or odd-sized knob, take a look at our support section on alternative mounting methods. You may also need to trim the rubber insert. The Lockitron C-plate is designed to work with most deadbolts. There are two sets of grooves on the C-plate corresponding to common Schlage and Kwikset locks, shown here. If you have a different style of lock, you may need to adjust the C-plate manually. If the C-plate doesn't fit behind your deadbolt, take a look at alternative mounting methods in our support section. Keep in mind that the pivot point for most door locks does not match the visual center of the deadbolt. With the screws on your deadbolt loosened, slide the C-plate up and down until the deadbolt seats into one of the grooves. You may need to repeat this step a few times, as it's possible to accidentally force a lock into the incorrect grooves. Tighten the deadbolt fully before mounting Lockitron. If the C-plate shifts when you twist Lockitron into place, you may need to adjust it again. Make sure to turn the knob fully clockwise. Then, turn the top ring fully clockwise too. On the rubber insert, you will find a small arrow. Depending on your style of lock, it may be best to point this arrow up or down. In the case of Schlage deadbolts, we recommend that you point the arrow down. If the rubber insert is very difficult to fit because of the dimensions of the deadbolt, you can trim the rubber insert to conform. Make sure that your deadbolt is easy to turn once Lockitron is installed. When correctly aligned, Lockitron shouldn't make your door lock any more difficult to turn either by hand or by key. Replace the faceplate and make sure that Lockitron turns easily. If Lockitron has a hard time turning your lock, but it seems smooth by hand, this might mean that the batteries are low, and you should probably replace them. If you're still having trouble turning Lockitron or Lockitron jams, reach out to support@lockitron.com and we'd be happy to help.